is going to be a reading for almost personal reading, all signs collective. I know I've not been doing all signs, really do not have the energy to. I'm trying to get back on track. Okay, so yeah, let's start. So, what is happening with you guys? Okay, I feel many of you guys are restless over the situation you guys are being a part of. You guys are not being able to move on, move in, nothing. Okay, you guys are just not knowing what to do. You guys also feel overwhelmed. You guys might also get sleep, but not feel like fresh, good about it. Like not feel like you just feel tired. Okay, you also, some of you might be getting problems with sleep. You guys might be worrying too much about the future right now. My straight advice is live one day at a time. Do not think 10 years down the lane or 20 years. No. You gotta live one day at a time, darling. Okay? So here we go. What else is going on in your life currently, Spirit? We have High Priestess in the reverse, which tells me that right now you guys are not connected with your with your intuition. You guys feel disconnected. A part of you of is telling you something, but you are not listening to it. Okay, reason being you don't trust yourself. Okay, one more card. You just feel disaligned with your whole self. You feel disconnected with your partner as well. So you are going through all the ups and downs right now. You gotta relax a bit, darling. Okay, then second card we have is Knight of Swords in the reverse. Some of you guys might be very upset with your person. You guys do have a plan as to how to get their reaction, but do not do it. Okay, Knight of Swords in the reverse is a bit manipulative, to be honest. You guys are up to something but not doing it in the right way, right? In terms of your person, what are they up to? In terms of your person, what are they up to? In terms of your person, I believe this person is way too focused on their finances. Some of them might have blocked you, or they are not wanting to communicate with you. Reason being, they are wanting to focus on their finances and not on their love life. When someone is that focused on their business, on their personal life, they do not want to give in to distractions. So if they look at you as distraction, darling, they may want to stay away from it. Okay, do not take it very personally. So that's just what I see. One card for how do they think of you now? How do they possibly think about you now? Yeah, with the Judgment card, they have a decision to make. I believe all your partners might not be doing this, but for some of you, they have been entertaining someone else, and they have to let go of that party in order to come towards you. They cannot come towards you and that third party shit is still on. Okay, for some of you, this person has to make a decision whether it's their work life or you. Okay, so one more card in terms of that spirit, like what are their current feelings? What are their current feelings? In terms of their feelings, I would say that with the star in the reverse, some of them have kind of lost hope and faith that this could lead somewhere or get anywhere. No, I believe that this person right now doesn't believe the fact that this may get somewhere in the future. Okay, like they have lost hope, to be honest. Okay, one card for what's currently blocking them. What's currently blocking them? Why are they behaving this way? What's currently blocking them is Temperance card. I would say that right now they are way too focused on fixing their life, finding peace in their life, finding balance in their life, rather than finding their way back to you. Okay, they are manifesting something else right now. They are not ready for you. They are not ready to fight for you or put efforts into this connection. No, I see them trying to do their own thing right now. Okay, one more card for what can you expect from this person now. What can you expect from this person? Strength card, this person will hold back. I do not see this person approaching you. To be very honest, you cannot expect much. Okay, one card for what are their intentions towards you now? What are their intentions towards you now? Intentions towards you, I would say that they are focused on something else. They are not focused on you. Intention is to possibly stay away from you, to possibly get away from you, to possibly ignore you. Okay, top card we have is Four of Wands in the reverse, which tells me that they are not wanting a relationship or anything solid with you as of now. They are wanting to explore their options. They are not focused on you right now. Okay, so what can you guys expect for the next couple of days overall? What in terms of relationship, what can you guys expect? Five of Cups, disappointments. See, sometimes I read comments on my videos saying that this was a negative rating, this was a positive rating. Darling, I don't give a fuck, to be honest. You come here for an energy spread. Okay, if you're gonna complain saying, "Oh my God, this is so negative," "Oh my God, this is so positive," I just read my cards. I don't predict shit on my own. Okay, I read my cards. I listen to my guides, my spirits. Okay, and if they say that your connection won't go good, I'm not going to change the statement. Okay, so if you're one of those who are bothered about the trading being negative or positive, what some stupid ass bitch who's wanting to sugarcoat shit. I don't. Okay, one more card. Sorry for that, but where this is going for now? Where this is going for now? Yeah, I feel your person is leaving you out in the cold. You feel ghosted, you feel left out. Okay, with Two of Wands, even you are not feeling good about this connection altogether. They are focused elsewhere. You are not feeling connected. You both feel misaligned with each other, with the connection. You do not feel connected to each other right now. Okay, so one card of advice for you guys. Knight of Cups in the reverse and Eight of Wands. It is time for some of you to move on. Okay, if this person isn't giving you commitment, the best thing to do is stay away or move on. Okay, but what are their current feelings? How do they truly feel for you now? What are they feeling for you now? Eight of Pentacles. This seems very practical. This person is not connected to their heart right now. They are thinking from their mind, yet they are trying to do things practically. I see them focused on their own self. Okay, with Death in the reverse, I know the cycle is still left undone. Okay, this is not over yet, but I don't want to give you false hope. I don't see anything good happening for the next 2 days. Your person seems focused on their own pentacle, on their own self. Okay, Eight of Pentacles in terms of feelings, not a good card. Okay, so yeah. Let's see love messages. What is your person want to say to you? Let's not take love messages. Let's take spirit messages. This reading doesn't need love messages. Okay. What should you be knowing about this connection? New beginnings. Let's forget the past and start new. For some of you, you guys have to go for a new beginning. Forget this. You guys have to go for a new beginning. Okay, forget the past and start new. Okay, I believe this person is not ready to change. Rather, they are choosing easier relationships. Okay, lies, betrayal, sweet words. Okay, so your person is right now lying to you. They may betray you if they come back. All about words, no action. Okay. Right now they're thinking about the situation as negative. They look at you as toxic, negative about the situation. When I mean toxic, it doesn't mean that you are the wrong person. No, it just means that they look at you as someone who's distracting them from their work, their finances, like that. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the next couple of days, Oil Signs Collective. Remember, my readings are not negative or positive. My readings are readings. They are energy spread. Okay, so if you're one of those who are going to complain, please unsubscribe and move to something sweeter. Okay, I'm not sweet. So yes, all those who want to purchase my personal reading, you could go to my website and book one. All those who are Libra, who want your Libra extended, if you guys have already purchased, do not repurchase it. I've posted Libra weekly extended yesterday or a couple of days back. If you haven't bought it yet, please go and buy. It would very much relate to this. Okay, thank you so much for coming in, and please do hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and please come again if you ever need this reading. Okay, thank you so much. Cheers.